Dawn Nixon, who's going to speak on behalf of the Williamson Museum.
Can you hear the voices? I can hear the voices. I am a voice. You know, an image is a powerful thing. But when you give a voice to that image, it comes to life. The Williamson Museum and our Voices from the Past allows those questions to be answered. We tell the stories. We tell the story of James Berry and his family, early settlers of Williamson County. We tell the tale of pioneer women and children who worked alongside of their fathers and husbands to make Williamson County the strong county it is. We tell the story of soldiers, perhaps the Civil War, MC Taylor, and how he was far away from his family. Or maybe we talk about those who gave the ultimate sacrifice, like Santos Samaripa, because he wanted to protect his loved ones. Maybe we talk about the home front, those citizens who stepped into new roles. Rosie the Riveters, they were here in Williamson County. Educating the youth, and telling those stories, and making the connections from the past to the present, that's what Voices from the Past will do. The Williamson Museum is here to give our history and our voices that soundboard. Thank you.